If you started to notice the funky smell in your car when you turn the AC on, well, you're looking at the likely culprit, your cabin air filter. So, today, let's go ahead and walk you through the steps on how to get that done so you can have your car smelling nice and fresh. So, coming to the passenger side of the vehicle, you're going to open up your glove box, like so, to get access to the tabs on the sides. And once you get in there, you're going to see a motor unit similar to this, and up above it is going to be this little section where you're going to have a door, and behind that door is going to be your cabin air filter. Now, this isn't going to apply to every single vehicle, and this video is vehicle specific. However, these steps and this process is very similar for a lot of cars, so if you just follow through, you should have no problem getting it done. And here you see the new filter, nice and clean. Gonna go ahead and put that back in, just make sure there's no debris. Just carefully insert the filter in, make sure it's lined up good, and if there's a seal area to it, that it is sealed. But once you do that, you get that little door, and you're just going to go ahead and slide it in on the one side, those little tabs, and then the other side is going to click back into place. And with that done, you now have a brand new fresh cabin air filter. And what this is going to allow is for the vehicle's AC system to pull in fresh, clean air through that clean filter, no debris, so that your car smells good. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.